Want to supercharge your business credibility on WhatsApp? Verification on Wati is the key. Verification on Wati is an essential step to building trust with your customers and ensuring they know they're interacting with the real you. First, let's explore the requirements to get verified. Your WhatsApp Business API account must be connected to Wati. You'll need a legitimate business website that is professional and reflects your brand. A valid business registration document, like a license or incorporation certificate, is also a must. Your business should have an established online presence with active social media profiles or press mentions. Ready to apply? Log into your Wati dashboard and navigate to the business verification section. You'll need to fill out the application form providing accurate details about your business, including your website, business registration details, and reasons for seeking verification. In the Why Should We Verify Your Business section, explain clearly how verification will benefit your customers and prevent potential impersonation. Strong justifications increase your chances of approval. Carefully review all the information you've provided, then submit your application. Be patient. Verification can take a few business days. Once verified, your Wati account will display a green checkmark, instantly boosting trust and credibility with your customers.